In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Shopify orders with QuickBooks Online via Connex. First, log in to Connex and connect your Shopify store and QuickBooks Online account. Next, open the Shopify Order Sync settings and choose how you want orders to be sent to QuickBooks. After that, map your Shopify products to the correct QuickBooks products or services. Make sure payment methods, sales tax, discounts, and shipping are mapped to the correct QuickBooks accounts. Now save your settings and run a test sync with a Shopify order. Next, open QuickBooks Online and check that the order was imported correctly. If everything looks right, return to Connex and enable automatic syncing for future orders. Finally, monitor the first few orders to make sure your settings are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to integrate Shopify orders with QuickBooks Online via Connex. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.